In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to withdraw money from Crypto.com in just 5 minutes. Let's dive right in so you can get your funds transferred smoothly and efficiently. First things first, you'll want to open up your web browser and navigate to Crypto.com's official homepage. It's crucial to ensure that you're visiting the correct site to avoid any potential security risks. Once there, you'll see the main menu at the top of the page. Look for the wallet option and click on it. Your wallet is where all your cryptocurrencies and fiat holdings are stored, so accessing this section is necessary for making any withdrawals. Once you've clicked on your wallet, navigate to where your USD balance is displayed. Here you'll notice three little dots next to your USD balance. These dots reveal a drop-down menu that offers several transaction options. Click on these dots and a menu will pop up. In that drop-down, you'll see an option labeled Withdraw. Click on Withdraw to begin the withdrawal process. At this point, if your account isn't already fully verified, you'll need to complete that step before proceeding. Verification is a crucial security measure to ensure all transactions are legitimate and safe. Once verified, you can move to the next step, which involves entering the amount you wish to withdraw. When you've made sure your account is verified and you're ready to proceed, click on the highlighted section to finalize your withdrawal request. This part is essential even if you're new to the platform because it is through this process that your transaction will be securely processed. It's worth noting that even if you haven't made any transactions yet, understanding this process ahead of time will prepare you for when you do initiate your first withdrawal. Familiarity with these steps can provide peace of mind. Knowing your hard-earned funds can be accessed whenever you need them without any hassles. Remember, always keep your account information secure and be cautious of any suspicious activities to protect your assets. So there you have it, a straightforward step-by-step guide on how to withdraw your funds from Crypto.com. Whether you're a seasoned trader or a newcomer to the cryptocurrency world, this quick tutorial is designed to make accessing your money as seamless as possible. Thanks for joining me today, and stay tuned for more helpful tutorials.